Have you ever noticed that the most respected people in a room don't fight for attention or dominate conversations? Instead, they choose their words carefully, speak only when necessary, and let their silence do the talking. The power of speaking less lies in its ability to command respect. Most people believing that being talkative makes them appear smart or important. However, speaking too often has the opposite effect, as over-explaining, interrupting, or trying too hard to prove a point comes across as insecure or desperate for approval. Instead, those who speak less appear more thoughtful, in control, and confident with their words carrying more weight. They don't waste them. Consider influential figures like leaders, CEOs, or the mysterious, quiet person in your social circle. They don't just talk to fill the silence. They let others speak first, observing, and then responding with words that matter. That's what makes people listen. The psychology behind silence is that it makes people uncomfortable. When you don't respond immediately, others start wondering what you're thinking. This puts you in a position of control. In conversations, negotiations, and even arguments, strategic silence forces the other person to reveal more. This may result in a rush to fill the silence with extra details, exposing weaknesses or giving you the upper hand. In fact, studies show that people who use pauses in speech are perceived as more intelligent and trustworthy. It signals that you're processing information carefully rather than reacting emotionally. This builds authority and respect. While speaking less can be a powerful tool, it requires practice. Practice avoiding impulse responses, asking thoughtful questions, and listening carefully. Then you can master the art of speaking less for maximum impact. To achieve this, pause before speaking, use fewer words when expressing yourself, and be comfortable with silence. When your presence does the talking, people will notice and respect you more.